Last Friday, Chief Justice David Maraga published in the Kenya Gazette number 10263 a notification of the practice directions for the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Division of the High Court. Maraga had last Thursday directed that all applications challenging prosecution of anti-corruption cases must be heard and determined in Nairobi. This has not gone down well with some members of the legal profession who argued that the directions were not subjected to public participation, querying its legality. Peter Manyonge Wanyama, an advocate of the High Court, has moved to court to challenge the new directions, saying it is illegal. He argues that Article 6(3) of the Constitution requires every state organ, including the courts, to be decentralized and provide services in all parts of the Republic. And the driver of the fire engine that crashed to death former Kitui Mayor Martha Mwangangi was arraigned in court. Philip Tito Isika appeared before Kitui resident magistrate Rose Ombata, but did not take plea as the prosecution sought more days to conclude investigations and amend the charges. Ombata gave them 7 days, after which the suspect will be back in court. Inspector Julius Omali of the Criminal Investigations Department said that the case had political overtones and having the suspect in police custody is good for his safety. Meanwhile, Nairobi House Limited have petitioned President Uhuru Kenyatta, Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero, the Lands Ministry, among others, to intervene and safeguard a 2.4 billion shillings land in the prime suburbs of Nairobi's Lavington area that has been at the center of a 10-year ownership dispute that was resolved in its favor. The 7-acre property next to Mudangari Police Station had previously been claimed by Jewel Investments Limited and Trenton Limited, associated with Kiambu Governor William Kabogo and businesswoman Lena Koinange, disputes which were concluded by the High Court. Through lawyer Philip Nyachoti, Nairobi House Limited argues that trespassers have illegally occupied the 2.4 billion shillings land and now wants them arrested. Finally, Tom Mboya Odoyo, who has since expressed interest in vying for president in 2017, has been released on a 2 million shillings bond or cash bail of 500,000 shillings. Odoyo is accused of stealing 5 million shillings from Housing Finance Bank Limited early this month. He denied the charges as well as an alternative count of handling stolen goods before Senior Principal Magistrate Joyce Gandani. The case will be heard on the 6th of March 2016. Lilian Otieno for Scales of Justice.